The ViprTech Overlord 3.0 liquid-cooled wood PC is a powerhouse built for gamers, content creators, and professionals who want top-tier performance. If you are curious about the latest price of this gaming computer, you can check it out from the description below. At its core, it packs an AMD Ryzen 7 7700 CPU with 8 cores and 16 threads, capable of reaching up to 5.3 GHz turbo speeds, combined with a dedicated NVIDIA RTX 5070 T16GB graphics card. This combination ensures smooth gameplay even at ultra settings and lightning-fast rendering for video projects. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a massive 2TB NVMe SSD, multitasking becomes seamless, and boot times are incredibly fast, letting you jump into work or play without delay. The 1000W Gold-rated PSU keeps the system stable even under heavy load, and the 240mm RGB liquid cooling system ensures optimal temperatures while looking sleek with customizable lighting. The wooden case design adds a premium aesthetic, showcasing the internals beautifully with RGB lighting that can be controlled with a simple button press. This PC isn't just about gaming. It's built for VR experiences, streaming, video editing, and virtually any demanding task. While it excels in high-performance scenarios, it's worth noting that such power comes with a premium price, and the system is quite large, so desk space should be considered. Every ViprTech system is hand-built and stress-tested in the USA, giving you confidence in quality and reliability, plus a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If high performance, future-proof components, and a striking design matter to you, the Overlord 3.0 is a solid choice. For the most accurate price and availability, check the link in the description below and explore all the specs firsthand to see if it's the perfect fit for your gaming or creative setup.